Pope's intention for September for the cry of the earth. The earth is in trouble and we need to act now to fix the damage. We must change how we live, work and use resources to protect our planet. Indigenous peoples can teach us a lot about caring for nature, and their wisdom is important in fighting climate change. We also need to rethink the way our societies work, as current systems often harm the planet. Everyone needs to work together because these problems affect us all. By joining forces, we can build a healthier, more sustainable world for everyone.